Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a really easy and simple way to slice strawberries. Two ways. Let's get to it. Strawberries are great for lots of different things. If you want to put them in a salad, you can have a delicious spinach and strawberry salad. If you're slicing them up for a dessert, like strawberry shortcake, or if you're making jam, however you need to process strawberries, slicing them up can be a little bit of a chore. But this quick and simple hack is perfect for doing it. So I'm going to take a fresh strawberry. I'm just going to cut off the top there. And here's my trick. Just put it in an egg slicer. And boom. Equally sliced pieces ready for whatever you're making. That's all it takes. Super, super simple, super easy. Sliced strawberries ready to use. Now, say you want to use a strawberry as a garnish. In that case, you actually want to leave the top of it on, put it point side up, and just carefully slice it, but not all the way. And there you go, it just fans out for a nice little garnish. Easy as that. So that's all it takes. You can easily slice a bunch of strawberries at once for a dessert or for a garnish, however you want to do it, with a simple trick of just using an egg slicer. If you like this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. If you like strawberries, that's another reason to give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. And I release new videos every single week. So if you like to cook like I do, please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.